App Inventor 2, My Buttons app, Part 5. Start by making sure you have App Inventor open. Also, go to a new tab and down to Lesson 05 on my web page and click at the bottom on the RGB color code chart. So let's have App Inventor 2 and color code chart tabs open. To program the buttons, you're going to need to go to your screen 2 because that's where the buttons are. And remember, all the programming is in blocks. We're going to start with making the image on your disappear button, this lobster robot, disappear. Click on your button and notice you've named everything. That's going to make it easy to I don't know what's going on there. That's going to make it easy to get lost. Okay, let's go back. My buttons, my buttons, my buttons, my buttons. Naming your buttons and labels makes it easy when you go to programming to program. So you click on disappear and drag out when disappear click do, which I've already done. And notice if I click on disappear again, there are so many choices. These are all the different things you can do with that button. I am going to choose to make the image disappear. So I'm going to set the disappear image to, and the way you disappear it is by using logic. Logic is you make it do the opposite. So right now it's true that the image is showing. To make the image not show, you choose false, and that will make the image disappear. Go ahead and do that now if you want by pausing the video. And when you're done, let's do the next button, play a sound. Go to blocks, and you already know how to do this. When play a sound clicks, you are going to go to sound, and you're going to play that sound. Oh, it's the sound that I add in Designer. Sound, and notice what I've added is an air horn wave. On my first screen, the sound was a typewriter ding. Well, on my second screen, it's going to be completely different. So that's pretty easy. Go ahead and do that, and then pick up on where you've paused the video. Next button, grow. All right, ready? Find the grow button. When grow, click, and you can make it bigger and wider. Just look for set grow height. And I also want to set grow width. Set grow width. There it is. Now, anytime you deal with size, it's a number. And you're going to find numbers under math. Imagine that. Pull out 0, and you can go Control C, Control V to copy it. Well, we don't want it to grow 0 degrees, though you could make it shrink by making it really tiny, like putting in 5. I'm going to make it, about 60 high and maybe 90 wide, just for the fun of it. Now my buttons are going to grow when I click it. Pause the video and do that now. Next step, change color. Now you're going to get fancy here. Blocks, change color button. When change color click, you can actually click on it and you can change any color, any background color, any font color. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go change color to set change color, background color to the background of my button. I can be lazy and just choose one of these, boring, or I can go here and be a real pro by putting the number in for the colors that I want, the exact color. And you get those numbers by going to your RGB color code chart and find the color you want. I want blue violet right here. So I'll write down the numbers 138, 43, 226. Or you could try copying it. Let's try copying it. Control C. And the place where you put that is right here. And I guess it won't let me copy. All right, I tried it. Well, it sort of did. But the number is 138. And the next color, 43. And then 226. That will give me blue violet. Pause and do that now. Next, change the image. All right, locks, and change the image when change image clicks. So again, find all the possibilities, and I am going to change the image. Right now there isn't an image, and you're going to give it an image by finding the change image to box, which I'm having a hard time finding. Okay, change image background color. No, that's not. Change image enabled. Change image to, change image. All right, change image. Whoops, I just lost it. Change image to, and here's how you handle this. This might seem strange, but you have to choose the text box, because that text box does lots of things, not words like in making things talk. And to change the image, all you have to do is click on your different components, find the image that you want to change it to by sliding down here. I'm going to change it to the square green robot. The trick here is that you have to type the name of that image in exactly the way it appears, and it actually says .png, so you have to add .png. If you make a mistake typing it in, it won't work. So pause the video and change your image, and then test your app.